Hey guys, and welcome to our guinea pig Pigmas gift guide. Fitzgerald obviously is very excited for this gift guide because she wants everything that is on this list. So I'd say let's start with our guinea pig gift guide 2024. My first category on this list are things that are not expensive. We all probably have felt the cost of living rise extremely over the past 2 years, so I always like to start off these videos by saying that you do not need to spend a ton of money on your guinea pigs. They're gonna be really happy with just some food and some hay. Probably something that I have done since I was 4 years old is my guinea pigs get a ton of veggies on Christmas Eve, which is when we celebrate Christmas, or if you're in the US, the equivalent would be Christmas morning. I always prepare just a huge container of all of the guinea pigs' favorite veggies. And the older I got, the more elaborate these designs got. So if you've been watching my videos, you know that the guinea pigs usually get some form of Christmas design for Pigmas. But when I was younger, I just cut out some cute veggie shapes with like cookie cutters and served it to the guinea pigs. You don't even need to do any of that. The guinea pigs will be totally fine with you just dumping massive amounts of veggies into their cage. But it is always a little bit fun and festive for us humans to feel like we made the gift and prepared it. Any type of parsley, cilantro is always a very special treat for the guinea pigs, especially if you can get them in large quantities. Just a piece of apple that they don't get that often, or watermelon, whatever the season is where you're from. Maybe blackberries because the guinea pigs go really wild over them. Just some of their favorite things. Next up is something that we've done in countless of videos, and that is just put a huge amount of hay into your guinea pig cage. Just really fill it to the top, let your guinea pigs explore, let them sleep in it, let them run through it, let them eat. This is a great gift for your guinea pigs, and you only need a bit of extra hay, and it's a really fun activity, and they'll probably be able to play with this hay pile for a couple of days. So it's also a gift that lasts a couple of days. Also, you can look around your garden, or if you live near the woods, for branches for your guinea pigs. Guinea pigs can eat a variety of branches, and when you live somewhere where it's currently winter, obviously won't really have any leaves on them, but guinea pigs also like to nibble on the little twigs, and I'm just gonna name like apple, bamboo, birch, blackberry, fig. All of these can be fed to the guinea pigs. You can find really comprehensive lists of what the guinea pigs can eat online, but branches that you can find outside are a really great gift as well, and they might be free. Okay, next up I have things that you can buy for your guinea pigs. So let's look at some fun activity-centered gifts. First off is a hay tunnel or a hay cube. You can see it, hay tunnel, right in the background where Zelda is just going in. My guinea pigs love this type of present. It is a great activity for them to eat the hay that is on top of the hay tunnel, and it's always fun to push this thing around. The hay cube this year was a major success as well. The guinea pigs completely took it apart. You can see it's kind of messed up in the background because the guinea pigs really ripped it apart. You sometimes hear them just really working on it. It's a great gift as well. This one came filled with a ton of hay as well, so that was also really fun for the piggies. And the smaller it is, the cozier it just seems to be for sleeping. Next up, our car wash Heidi, which you can see right here behind me. That has probably been our favorite Christmas gift. We got this one maybe 4 or 5 years ago, a long time ago, and it's always a huge favorite with the guinea pigs. It's not that easy to clean. That's probably the downside to it, but it's a ton of fun, and it's probably one of my guinea pigs' absolute favorite Heidis. It is a bit of a splurge if you buy it with like this wooden attachment, but it is a ton of fun. Alternatively, there are also these corner car wash things. They don't come with a wooden attachment. They are a little bit cheaper, and they're probably the same amount of fun, because if you have a corner, it's dark anyway, and the guinea pigs just love to run through these little fleece thingies. Next up, I have a hammock plus level. Hammock is probably our most used fleece item that we have. Probably our most used guinea pig item ever. Yeah, except for perishable items like hay or veggies. The hammock is the one thing that we use the most. It's a huge favorite with the guinea pig. If you get a new guinea pig, put the hammock in. It's so adorable to see them explore it, and they all get so happy. It's extra cozy. It's perfect for winter time. It's also perfect for summertime. Honestly, you can never do anything wrong with a hammock for your guinea pigs. Fleece items such as tunnels or beds. These are also always really cozy for the guinea pigs, so these would be a great gift as well and something your guinea pigs will probably really like. Also, the IKEA duct tape bed. It's really fun as well. Guinea pigs can sleep on top and they can use it as a hidey and sleep underneath it. So you can probably, if you have smaller guinea pigs, like 4 guinea pigs can use this at the same time. It's a ton of fun. It takes up a lot of space though, so you do need a bigger cage. However, with all of these items, you can just use them outside during floor time if your cage lacks the space for any more wooden items. But the duct tape bed, seriously, one of the best guinea pig hideys, and it's not even made for guinea pigs. But it's great and it's really sturdy. You don't have to worry about the guinea pigs tipping it over or anything. It's really sturdy, it's really great, really recommend it. Larger tunnels for floor time. Obviously, really large tunnels are not that practical in your guinea pig cage because they get all tangled up. But getting a large tunnel for floor time is so much fun for your guinea pigs, and it's gonna be an extra special time for them when they get to explore. A new wooden hidey. I'm just gonna link one below, but I found one that is really cute. It has like this castle look like we had when we still had the big castle inside the cage. I love this one. In general, wooden hideys are always great for the guinea pigs. Any type of hidey really is great for them because they just love to explore and love to try out new stuff. But I can really recommend these houses, especially if you have a guinea pig that likes going up ramps. And some guinea pigs really like to sit on top of hideys to see everything. So that's a really cute hidey, I think, and would make a great gift. Then some perishable items that are a bit more expensive. Super special artisan hay. If you don't live in a region where Timothy hay is the standard, such as I do, we have a mixed grass variety of hay. Timothy hay is definitely something that you can get a splurge for your guinea pigs. If you live in an area where Timothy hay is the standard, you can get like special types of hay that have like some forage mixed in them, and some have like some extra special grass types mixed in them, just something to mix it up. Hay mixed with forage is not meant to be fed as a 24/7 kind of hay, just because forage is really high in calcium, so it's not recommended to feed it 24/7. But as a special gift, my little hay connoisseurs here in the background would definitely appreciate really special expensive hay. Pea flakes, always a great gift. Whether you always give them to your guinea pigs or whether you've never tried them before, you can never go wrong with pea flakes. And last item is forage. There are so many different types of forage mixes out there. You can just get whatever you fancy and maybe get a smaller pack, but then a couple of packs to see which one your guinea pigs like best. But forage is always a really special treat. Again, it's very high in calcium, so it's not meant to be any type of hay replacement. As a special treat, it's definitely always a really welcome addition for my guinea pigs. These were a couple of gift ideas for guinea pigs. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys next time. Bye!